So, you've been using your UBL credit card, watching those points pile up. But have you ever stopped to wonder, what are they really worth? Well, in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to turn those points into actual, tangible rewards. Let's unlock the value you've already earned.
Right, so you've done the hard part. You've earned the points, you've seen them sitting there in your account, so now what? You should think of those points like cash just waiting to be spent. The real question is, how do you actually get your hands on the stuff you deserve? All right, let's dive right in. The best part about all of this, turning those digital points into real-world value is way, way simpler than you probably think.
Yeah, you can forget about digging through complicated websites or filling out a bunch of forms. Seriously, it all comes down to one single, simple action to get the ball rolling.
So, what is this magic first step? Well, think of it as the one key that's going to unlock all of your rewards.
And that key is the Platinum Customer Assistance Center. This is basically your personal 24/7 helpline. It's set up for one reason, to help you redeem the rewards you've earned whenever it's convenient for you. And here is the only number you're going to need, 0800-558-25. That is it. One phone call is literally all that stands between you and your rewards.
Okay, so once you make that call, you get to the really fun part, choosing what you want. And you've got 3 totally different paths you can take, and each one offers instant value in its own unique way.
So here are your choices, plain and simple. First, you can use your points to just lower your credit card bill. Second, you can go on a little shopping spree over on Duraz. Or third, you can put those points towards your next vacation with some airline tickets. Let's look at path number 1. This is the most direct option for sure. You just apply your entire points balance to your outstanding credit card bill. Poof! It's a super simple way to instantly reduce what you owe. Now option 2 is for all you shoppers out there. You can convert your points into shopping power on Duraz. It's a great way to turn your everyday spending into that new gadget or cool outfit you've had your eye on.
And finally, we have path 3. And this one is for the adventurers and travelers. You can redeem your points for airline tickets. I mean, what a fantastic way to make your next trip a little easier on the wallet. You're basically turning your loyalty into a much-needed vacation.
So, how do you possibly choose? Well, it's pretty simple. If you want that instant financial relief, go for the balance adjustment. If you're itching to buy something new, Daraz is your playground. And if you're dreaming of a getaway, use those points for a flight. It's really all about matching the reward to what you need right now.
Okay, so you know the process, you know your options. But wait, before you grab the phone, I've got one last helpful tip for you. This is going to make sure you stay in complete control and make the absolute best decision. Here it is. When you're on the line with the Assistance Center, the very first thing you should do is just ask, hey, can you tell me my current points balance? That way you know exactly what you have to work with, which helps you choose the perfect reward.
And that's really all there is to it. One call, 3 awesome options. So I guess the only question left is, which reward are you going to unlock first?